Okay guys, we're live for James Hammond's giveaway. Time is 7:48 p.m. Eastern. So we are live. Go to random. We got the list here. Copy. So we go 3 times in the clubhouse. 7:48 p.m. Eastern, first random. Second random. Third random. Can't remember how many prizes there were, so I'll take the top 5. I think there was 4, but let's see there. Oh, there was only 4. Prizes in here. We'll random them 3 times as well. 7:49 p.m. Eastern, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Copy those over. There's only 4. Okay, so John Christopher, you won the 2020 Heritage Fat Pack. Marty Martin, you won the 1819 Neil Pioca Future Watch Auto. David Peters, you won the 2020 Topps Update Hanger Box. And Kyle Exley, you won the 2018 Clear Cut Dominic Kahn. So we are done. Time 7:50 p.m. Eastern. Thanks, guys. Oh, hold on a second here.